This is a quick review of the MoKo Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. It is one of the smallest Bluetooth keyboard that's also ergonomic as well because it has the split design. I haven't seen anything that's even better, so this is what I love for now until I can find something better. Let's compare it with the Microsoft Arc keyboard that I currently have, or used to have until it broke. It is super small compared to the Microsoft Arc because it's designed to be portable. The keys themselves are about full size. Using a digital caliper, I can see that it is about 15 millimeter, and here's the Microsoft as well. The Microsoft is just a hair bigger at about 16. The Microsoft Arc itself has all the function keys as well as the numbers separate, but for the MoKo they combine everything into the same spacing. So you can see that for Windows, which is what I usually use it for, then I would have to hold down Function Shift 1 if I want to do F1. So this thing is definitely not for if you're doing a lot of multimedia and you need those function keys, then this keyboard is probably not for you. The battery life is very good, but for some reason when the battery runs out and I have to recharge it, then it loses the automatically syncing, meaning that I have to manually add the keyboards back into Windows again, which is kind of painful and wastes a lot of time. There on this side, another key drawback is that it combines the backspace as well as the delete button. So if you want to do backspace, you hit that button, but if you want to do delete, then you have to hold down the function key and then hit the backspace to get delete. On the bottom, the up and down arrow is also cramped and it's not very comfortable. I use this for my Windows desktop and it is one of the best so far. I wish they make the Microsoft Arc keyboard, but they don't anymore, so this is what I have for now. Looking at the side, it is super slim and very sleek. You can see how thin it is compared to the next thinness that I was using, which was the Arc. And this makes the Arc super thick. Once batteries run out, then you use the micro USB cord to charge it up. Battery is pretty good. I forgot what it is, but they say this is at least 100 hours. At least 100 hours, and I think that's about right.